Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Nazish and today I am going to teach you unit number 1 of our English book, that is fungi. Fungi is the name of a dolphin. Fungi is a wild, lone, bottlenose dolphin. It was found in Dingle Bay in 1984. Dingle is the name of a valley. So it was first noticed by Paddy Ferreter. Paddy Ferreter is a lighthouse keeper in Dingle. Lighthouse is a tower containing a light on the top of it to warn or guide ships at the sea. So it is basically used to guide the pilots or ships at the sea. People of Dingle named this dolphin Fungi. So it is not its original name, it was actually named by the people of Dingle. So people used to call him Fungi. Mostly people came to Dingle to meet fungi because it became very famous among the people of fungi. Here is the picture of fungi. You can easily see the bottlenose fungi. Then we have characteristics of this fungi. Fungi was friendly. It used to play with the people. It was very friendly with the people and it liked the company of the fishermen. So it was friendly, it was playful, it was mischievous, and it loved to show off jumping, flipping and hiding. So we can easily see these basic tricks and these characteristics of dolphins whenever we see a dolphin. It is one of the most friendly animal among the other sea creatures. So fungi has been the Dingle dolphin for over 30 years. So as it was living among the people of the Dingle, so it was known as Dingle dolphin for over 30 years. Then we have the dolphin facts. Now what are the dolphin facts? Dolphins are mammals. They are clever and love people. They send messages to each other. They have a sound system just like a language. It means they have their own language system through which these dolphins communicate with each other. They are black, grey, blue or sometimes white in colors. Bottlenose dolphins have a sharp pointed nose and two flippers like wings near the front. So this was all about the dolphins. I hope you enjoyed this topic and you will come to know the rest of the things in our next class.